Say good morning, Auntie.
Good morning, Auntie.
Why are you home today?
Where are you today?
No, why are you home today? How come you stayed home from school today?
What's that?
That's where you plug it in. What are you playing with? Show Auntie what you're playing with.
Auntie.
Look at the video. Look at it. See? So what you have to show her what you're playing with.
A telephone and a book.
Yeah? How come you're home from school today?
Because I got the coughs.
You got the coughs or the sneezes? Are you gonna talk to Auntie? Look. Talk to Auntie.
Sneezes.
You got the sneezes? Can you tell Auntie what you learned at school the other day about earthquakes?
Earthquake.
Hey. Up. Where's the baby? There she is. There she is. What did you learn about earthquakes? What should you do if there's an earthquake?
When the lights flicker,
Yeah, the lights flicker. And then what?
fall on the tables.
Okay, you have to say it again louder.
Fall under the table.
Crawl under the table? Yeah. What book are you reading?
That's my telephone.
That's your telephone.
That is my conversation book.
This is your going to the beach book?
Yeah. I'm pretending it's a paint book.
You're pretending it's a paintbrush?
No, I'm pretending it's a real book.
You're pretending it's a real book? It is a real book.
No, I am pretending to this. I want a paintbrush book.
You want a paintbrush book?
No, pretend the paintbrush book.
Pretend is a paintbrush book. Are you going to help Daddy paint today?
Yeah.
Who are you calling?
Nobody.
Who did you call this morning?
I'm playing my game.
Who did you call this morning?
Adrian.
Is he your friend?
Yes.
Yes. Who's
No.
your friend?
I'm not calling anybody.
No, you're not calling anybody. You're just playing buttons.
No, I'm playing rock game.
You're playing the rock game? You're a very silly monkey. Are you gonna say I love you, Grammy? I love you, Mom.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. You said you wanted to make a video and then you didn't actually even look at the camera at all. Say bye-bye, Mom.
Bye-bye, Mama.
Bye-bye, Grampy.
Bye-bye, Grappy.
Bye-bye, Auntie Toad. Say bye-bye, Auntie Toad.
Bye-bye, Handy Toe.
We'll see you soon.
See you soon.